Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is a heater core. A heater core is a small radiator that inside the passenger or the driver or in the middle of the car, inside the car, under the dashboard. The radiator or the antifreeze pass through here and go back to the engine or to the radiator by this side, and it warms this piece. A blower motor come from the back here and blow out air for you, and that air will be warm, or like to warm the interior of your car in the winter time when you're driving your car. That's why you feel hot or you get the heat. We have a Acura MDX 2005. In order for you to do this one, let me just show you how crazy it is. This is how you take the heater core out. You see, the whole dashboard have to come out, the steering column have to come out, radios, all this stuff, and the box is here. This is where the heater core is supposed to stay. And you have to move, you see, like everything is out. So it's something that is very, very tough to do the work for it. You understand? And now you can come here, from the front here, the hoses that's coming from the engine, they are there. You see, like those hoses here, one is here, one is here, I believe, or somewhere down there. You take it out and then fix it, and you're good to go. One of the things that you need to be sure about it is that a preventive maintenance. Once a year, try to flush the radiator system, the residual that's sitting in the car, that would cause corrosion sometimes. Try to flush it and put a new antifreeze. Do not wait till the corrosion built and messed up your antifreeze. When you flush your system, the cooling system, from time to time, that radiator can stay more. That small radiator can stay longer than 10 years or 15 years. Also, do not put regular water. Like some people, instead of putting antifreeze, they put water, and that water also, it creates corrosion inside the engine cylinder. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. See you in another video.